If you're an airdrop farmer or you make it your DeFi protocols and you are looking to make some money for yourself, maybe $1,000, $2,000, and so on, you can watch this video because I'm going to give some updates about airdrop that we have been farming and the new ones that you can also farm to make money. So if you're interested in it, do have to watch this video to the end. The first project is Layeredge. As you all know, Layeredge farming have ended and they've announced the white paper, they've shared it with the whole community. So that's what we're going to be checking in today's video. So let's head over to Layeredge Twitter page. I see they have their foundation, which is Layeredge Foundation. On the foundation page, you can see announcing the Layeredge roadmap. Let's check out their roadmap. Check it out. Okay, looking at the roadmap, they say after a month of dedication, development, blah blah blah, they have like 500 plus unique verified users, and these are the progress so far. So you can make use of the link to read about all this stuff. This is the upcoming milestones of Layeredge. Airdrop checker and claim TG generation event, which is proposed to happen May 2025, which is this month. Stake platform launch. I believe they will launch this immediately as they do their TGE. Browser extension release phase 3. Yeah, this is it. And L1 launch, mainnet Q2 2025. We are also in Q2 already. And a lot of things that they have in plan for Layeredge. That means the airdrop of Layeredge, the airdrop checker will be live and the claim will be live this month, before the end of this month. And the token will go live. That according to their website, that's what is there. So that's that about Layeredge. And if you participate in Layeredge, you did all the stuff that you're supposed to do. You did your proof of humanity. You should expect some airdrop. You don't know how much it's going to be. We have seen that Layeredge have already listed on CoinMarketCap, although the token is not tracking yet because it's not live yet. So the total supply is 1 billion, and if it has $1 billion market cap, that means it will be $1. We don't know the amount they are going to airdrop to people. We don't know the amount they will allow each and every one of us to claim, but let's look forward to Layeredge and what they are building. So the next project I want to talk about is Soul, and this Soul, I'll drop the link in the description. All this thing I'm talking about, the link will be in the description of this video. So if you are interested in it, do have to check them out. So when you come to this app.soul.io, the next thing you see is here, you connect your wallet somewhere here. I've already connected mine. So if I want to disconnect it, I can basically come here and disconnect it, but I'm not disconnecting it. All I have to do is click on this seed that you're seeing right here. Click on it. Then when you click on it, you see dashboard, 15 seed, 40 seed, blah blah blah. There's a referral program. So immediately you log in, you'll be able to copy your referral code, and if you want to share it with your friends, you want to refer your friends, and you can see your ranking, users you've referred, total quests that you've completed, first user join, total seed earned that you've earned. You can see it here. So you can then go to quests. So this is where you complete quests and you'll see things that you need to do. So there are a lot of quests that are here. You see these special quests: create and earn, a trade, a video, a blog post, meme, or whatever, anything you can create for them. So I will actually advise you to participate in this because projects value people that contribute to them. So if you do this, you might get to like earn some reward. While you can share your invite with your friend, every invite that you get to earn 30 seed for that, and you can copy your invite right here. Just click on it. This task is upcoming. You see it's currently locked. So these are the tasks that you can do for now. We'll go through it. Yeah, so you connect your X. Click on authorize app. Okay. So I've done 1 out of the 7 tasks. So I'll click on it again. Click on follow Soul protocol. So I'll follow the account, follow it. And I would like to turn on their post notification in case they post any update. I'll be able to follow up on everything they are posting. So back to X, verify. So it's already verified. You see this task is currently locked. It have unlocked. So it says like and repost Sol protocol pin post on X. On this Sol protocol, all you basically need to do is to complete all these tasks that they are showing for you. If you complete all these tasks, you are going to be earning seeds for every task you are completing. So I might not be able to go through it, or you can complete it on your own, and when you are done completing it, you will be getting your seed. And the next one I want to talk about is Magic Newton. Magic Newton. I will also drop the link for this one in the description of this video. So this is the home page of Newton. See, you do quests and you roll a die once every day, and you get to like earn some points as you are rolling your die. So you say I can come back in 2 hours 14 minutes for me to roll my die, so I will return home. And this Magic Newton, you can connect your Newton.xyz, because Newton.xyz is a place where you can buy some, you can interact with AI agents and all that. So if you pay and you do all those things, you'll also be earning points for it. So there are main quests and there are side quests. Now let's go to explore quests. So these quests, they have ended. You see these ones, February, March. I guess we are late to this. So you can still participate in the side quests. So the side quests, for you to follow them on X, join their Discord, follow them on TikTok, follow them on Instagram. And once you've done all that, you'll be able to get the points. Yeah. So you connect your guild and you refer your friends. The more friends you refer, the more points you are going to get. You can just get your referral link here. So once you get it, then you be earning points for every people that you are referring to this Magic Newton. And that is that about Magic Newton. If there's any more updates about them, they are going to post it on their Twitter page, or they are going to share it on their website. Yeah. So the next one I would like to talk about is giverep. Giverep is a platform. You are talking about giverep on your X. Anytime you are tagging them to post, you'll be earning points for that. So this giverep, it tracks your engagement, your earn trophy, and you build your reputation. You could see it here. Identify social reputation layer for crypto user, track engagement and build reputation on X. Trophy score, engagement score based on views, like, retweet, and comment on your tweets. So every tweet you make, every like, retweet, and comment, you earn trophy for that. And reputation points, NY user tag giverep in your tweet or through the loyalty program. So the loyalty program, join loyalty program and tweet about them to earn reward from your favorite crypto projects. So these are the projects that are in loyalty program: Ika, Attention, Sugar, Nexa, and so on. So those are the projects that are currently in this loyalty program. So you can join any of them. So I will join. I have successfully joined the project. So I will just click on join on all of them. So that's how you can basically interact with this giverep. So anytime you make posts about these projects that are in the loyalty program, on every likes you are getting, every views you are getting, you'll be earning giverep points for that. And it's really amazing, because we don't know, this is on Sol ecosystem. Actually, this is built for Sol ecosystem. Projects that are on Sol, they get to like earn they get to come on this giverep and people make posts about them. And some of them, they might do TGA and they might cook very well. Some airdrops we have seen on Sol blockchain actually printed some good amount of money for people. So you can check your profile here. See, currently I am currently ranked 2732 and I have 307 rep. So a lot of people are there that they have more reps and all that. So the more you post about them, the more you tag the giverep in the comment section of other people's posts, the more points you get. So that is that about giverep. And the last one that we would like to talk about is Kaito. It's also like this giverep. It was actually the first one. And this Kaito has been printing massively for people. When I say massively, thousands of dollars. People have been earning so much money from this Kaito. Yeah. So this Kaito also track your engagement. You connect your X. Immediately you connect your X. On every time you are talking about cryptocurrency, you will be getting yapping points for that. I've made series of videos about Kaito. You can check my page, you see some videos I made about them, and you'll be able to follow up on everything on Kaito. The interface changed. So like a few days ago, they changed the interface. You see the Prestige Arena, Yappers leaderboard, your Yappers feed, Kaito N, and stake Kaito. If you want to stake Kaito, you can come here and stake some Kaito. You have 1,000, 2,000 Kaito, you can basically stake it here. To N Kaito, Yappers feed. Now let's look into Yappers leaderboard. So these are the pre-TGE. These are the projects that have not done their TGE. So those are the ones that are in pre-TGE. Those are the projects you can yap about. See, OG, Camp Network, Fogo, Apabolic, Mega ETH, and so on. So these projects, yapping about them might be that you qualify for their airdrop, or you qualify for some rewards that they are sharing to their yappers. So it depends on what they are giving to people. Then there are post-TGEs, yeah? This post-TGE, they have already launched their token. So they are giving some reward to people that are yapping about them. Like me currently, I'm yapping about, say, I'm currently on the leaderboard and I've gotten some reward from them. A lot of people yapped about Aptos and they made money from it. A lot of people yap about some other projects and they made money, yeah? So this is how you can basically yap and make money. So you can go to Yappers field, then you see what people are yapping, what people are talking about. So for you to like also simulate them and make related posts. See, this post is like a meme post, and the meme post is actually ranked on the Yappers field. See, this person has 6,457 smart followers and he has 6,000 plus yaps. So he's getting all these all by posting on X and interacting with other people. You can also do it. You can also do it no matter how. Maybe you have 100 followers, 200 followers, or any amount of followers you have. You can basically yap on Kaito, and the more you yap, the more yapping points you get. So that is that about the Kaito. And if you found this video helpful, do well to like it, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next video.